Hi guys, it's Dr. Azimi. I am just checking in to let you know that um, the assignment for today is due. It is due under the assignment link. Do not email it to me. So you go to major writing assignments and then you will find the appropriate link for that assignment for the essay. Next, I wanted to tell you that your next assignment, and I posted this chart the other day as you saw, but the next assignments that are due are, and I'm pointing to the wrong thing, it's not this chart. I submitted, let me scroll up, this chart, language and culture assignment due dates. I hope you saw that. This chart, and I'll click on it, shows you the due dates for everything. It's the assignment name, the due date, and where to submit. So your next assignments, because up here was the rough draft and final drafts of the blog. Down here you have the quiz. Don't be nervous about a quiz. It's just called a quiz in the grade book. And it's untimed. It may say that you have only an hour, but you do have more than an hour. You have as long as you need for this quiz. You have a language culture reflective that you have to assign. It shows you exactly where to submit these two assignments, and they're both due next Tuesday, the 14th. The reason the due date is the 14th instead of the 13th is because we have this Friday and next Monday off for the holiday. So then the next thing, and you'll hear my family in the background, I guess, is when I go to our Blackboard site, you can go to other assignments, and other assignments, that was my husband. Other assignments is where you'll find the two assignments that are due next Tuesday. So I'm going to go slowly. You go to content quizzes. When you click on content quizzes, you click on the language module, and then it gives you the draft. It does say you have 60 minutes, but remember it's untimed. You click begin, and then you start your quiz. The instructions for the quiz are right here. So make sure you read the instructions before you begin. So then next, you go back to other assignments for your second assignment for this coming week, and you go to reflective journals, which is under content quizzes. You click on reflective journals, and you'll see that there's a language and culture reflective journal. And then that language and culture reflective journal has directions. It's very similar to the education reflective journal. So you complete that. Complete that by clicking on Create Journal Entry. You give your reflective journal a title. You type your reflective journal. Post charts like this for 2 to 3 week durations. Some students contacted me about the final draft, the blog for your essay that's due today, saying that they cannot submit it today because they're working extra hours, they're taking care of people, and that's fine. Just contact me so I know what to expect. If you need extra time, just connect with me through messages or through the app that you downloaded, and we can work an additional due date out with each other. I don't want you to not submit your assignments. I hope you're all well, and I miss you all, and I look forward to reading your essays. Have a good week. Bye.